Hi, this is Paulette from Magical Needle, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to make something that is lined without the seams showing on the inside. So this holiday stocking is my own design. Okay, so what I did was, this is the outside fabric, and then see I added the little hanger on the outside on the seam line. Then I made a lining piece, same exact size. So what you do is, the lining piece is wrong side out, so this is the seam. You take the stocking right side out and you put it inside the lining piece. So actually, oh, and I leave a little opening. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry about that. I leave a little opening right here because that's going to be our turning. So this is actually right sides together. Hi, so the next step is I put binding clips all the way around, as you could see, and I matched up the seams. Also, the strap for the stocking is on the inside. It has to be on the inside in between, or else when you turn it, it won't show at all. Okay. And then this is the turning opening, and you can see how the right sides are together. And so the next thing you're going to do is sew around, and I usually like to go over the strap a few times to give it stability. So as you can see, the lining is on the inside, the strap is on the outside, and this is the outside fabric. And then I add binding clips all the way around the top so I could top stitch, and then I just sew the opening in the lining close. And usually I like to put a little label in the opening, just showing that it was made by me, or you could do something for yourself, a personalized label. I buy them on Etsy, and I hope this inspires you to create something magical.